For continuation of our discussion, I have here another sample problem. Okay, parang nakakala ko is 5 the problem for your stacks and chimneys. So let us start with this sample problem. So number 2, what are the required height and diameter of a stack to produce 5.25 cm? Okay, 5.25 cm of water gauge yan eh. Okay, balik natin. Okay. 5.25 cm water gauge of theoretical draft, assuming the following conditions. So the following conditions, binigyan ka ng mass of coal, mass of waste gas, design gas velocity, okay? Barometric pressure. Okay, we can say that the barometric pressure ng air is the same with the barometric pressure with the gas. Okay? Gas temperature, yun na iba. Okay? The gas temperature is at 300 degrees Celsius. Ambient temperature, ibig sabihin, that is the temperature of your air. And then the R of the gas. So, saan ba magmumula yung ating equation of height? Muna tayo. Sa height. So, nagbigay dyan ng water gauge. Diba, if matatandaan natin, height, okay? Height of the stack is equal to, balikan natin yung ating notes. Okay? Pag binigyan ka ng temperature, pwede mong gamitin to diretsuhan. Kaya lang wala kang height ng gas. Saan tayo magmumula dyan? It's always dun sa theoretical draft. Okay? Dito. So, you have the temperature ng air, and then temperature ng air sa gas, meron kang density ng water, and then yung height in water gauge. Okay? Pwede mo makuha dito diretsuhan. Okay? So, basehan natin yan. Hanapin mo muna yung density. So, the most basic formula for you to use is yung HS. Okay? Pwede ko i-copy to. Dito. Let me copy this one. So, the basic formula. Okay, copy. Pasok natin dito. Let me paste it here. Ayan. So, I have here the formula. Okay, if you can remember. Now, unang gagawin mo dyan is you find the density ng gas and air. Okay? Pwede mo naman gawin tong ganito eh. Kasi remember that yung specific weight is density times gravity. So, pwede nating factor out yung gravity. So, density ng water, okay, W divide by density ng air minus density ng gas. Okay? Na-factor out natin yung gravity and we cancel it out. So, hanapin mo natin yung individual densities. How about the density of air? That is pressure of air over R of air, temperature of air. Now, ano ba yung pressure ng air? That is the ambient pressure, 98 kPa. So, 98 kilonewton every meter squared divided by R. R of air, if you can recall, is 0.287 08 kilo Newton meter. Bakit naging ganon? Kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. And then the temperature of air simply is 20 degrees Celsius. 20 plus 273 Kelvin. You cancel all same units. Okay? Kilonewton. Tapos Kelvin, akit si kilogram, magiging cubic meter. So this will become, okay, 98 divided by 0.28708 times 20 plus 273. You store the value kay A. Okay, this is 1.1651 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, store natin siya kay A. Okay. The other one, kukunin mo na yung density ng gas. R or P of gas divide by R of the gas. Flue gas ang binigay sa'yo dyan. Tapos temperature of gas. Okay? Temperature of gas. So, the pressure of the gas, same with air, 98.0 ba? O 98 lang pala. So, 98 kilonewton every meter squared. Now, if nagbigay ng separate pressure for the gas, yun ang gamitin nyo. And if not, the same lang siya with air. So, R of gas, binigay dyan. If not, molecular weight ang ibibigay. That is R bar divided by molecular weight. Okay? Remember yung R bar nyo. Ang R bar, recall natin, R bar, ay value na lang to. The R bar for SI is 8.3143. Huwag nyo nang isipin yung unit. Kasi kapag dinivide nyo molecular weight yan is R. Yun na lang tatandaan yung unit ng R. Para hindi ka malilito. That is kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Ngayon yung R naman sa English, yung R bar niya is 1545. 1545. So, ang magiging unit dyan is feet per pound degree Rankine. A pound mass over pound force feet, okay, divided by pound mass degree Rankine. Kaya naging air is 53.34. Okay? So, R ng gas is given 0.277 kilojoule or kilonewton meter every kilogram degree Kelvin multiplied to 300 plus 273 degree Kelvin. Okay, cancel all same units natin. Kelvin, Kelvin, kilonewton, kilonewton. Matitira is kilogram per cubic meter. So, calculate the value. 98 divided by 0.277 times 300 plus 27 and 3. That is 0.6174 kilogram per cubic meter. This is stored in B. Okay? Store niya siya kay B. Okay. Sir, pwede na ba natin ipasok dito yung value? Yes. Kunin mo yun sa water gauge. So, height of the stock is equal to, ano yung density ng water? 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Times, naka-water gauge to yung HW is in water gauge. So, hindi nyo kailangan i-air gauge yan. Wala kayong gagalawin. As is. Pero naka 5.25 cm, you have to convert it into meters. This will become 5.25 cm. Multiply natin ng 1 meter every 100 cm. Divide by yung density sa baba, that is air minus gas. So, 1651 minus 0.6174 tapos kilogram per cubic meter. Cancel same units natin. Si kilograms, kilograms. A, meter cube, meter cube. cm, cm. Ang matitira is meters. O, tama nga, height ng stock siya. So, what will be the answer? So, this will become 1,000 times 5.25 divided by 100. Okay? Recall natin si A minus recall natin si B. The answer is 95.865 meters. Okay. 95.865 meters. Yan yung HS natin. Next is, may nana pa siya. Required height and diameter of the stock. Now, for the stock diameter, saan mahanapin yan? Dun sa Q. Okay? Yung Q is equal to A V. The problem is, okay, kung naaalala ko, that your velocity here, okay, velocity ng gas mo is, meron kang coefficient of velocity. Okay, coefficient of velocity multiplied to square root of 2gh ng stock. But, wala kang binigay na coefficient of velocity. What will you use? Okay? As standard, if CV is not given, you assume a coefficient of velocity is equal parati ng 0.4. Kapag hindi binigay, coefficient of velocity. Sir, saan nagmula yung formula na yan? Okay, to recall. Okay, dinerive natin yan dito. So, from here. Okay? Asa yung diameter ng stock mo? Ayan. O, the coefficient of velocity is ito. C times sa velocity ng gas. In order for you to know the actual velocity of the gas. So, sir, ito pala is the theoretical velocity. Okay? Ano yung actual velocity? Sorry. May mali ako dito. This is pala is the actual velocity of gas. Ano ba yung theoretical? Ang theoretical is square root ng 2GHS. Okay? The actual is, meron ka ng coefficient of velocity. Di ba kinukuha nyo sa piping yung drag coefficient? Okay? There is no such perfect piping. Merong losses yan. Okay? So, the coefficient of velocity, multiply mo dun sa square root ng 2GHS. Okay? You want to know yung ating diameter, dito tayo mag-algebra tayo. Q is equal to AB, pi over 4. Okay? Velocity ng actual. Okay? Pi over 4, meron kang diameter ng stock squared. Okay? Sir, pwede ko rin ba makuha yung Q? Saan? Saan pwedeng kuhanin yung Q? Remember, di ba ang Q is this volume? Saan makuha yung volume? Sa mass ng gas, R of gas, temperature of gas, divided by pressure of the gas. Okay? So, kunin ko muna sila. Let us continue that in another page. Okay, algebra ko muna ha. So, add tayo ng page. Yan. So, let us add them here. Okay. Dito tayo nagmula. So, sir, pwede ko palang kuhanin muna si Q. Tama ba? But, ako kasi, mas gusto ko yung na-algebra ko na lang eh. Diretso na tayo. So, pwede ko equate yung dalawa. This will become pi over 4, diameter ng stock squared. Yung V, itong velocity na ito, may binigay ba dyan? Yes, there is a given velocity here. 7 meter every seconds. Ay, hindi mo na kailangan i-solve. Okay? As is, yun na yung velocity mo. So, velocity mo dito equal to mg rg tg over pg. Ang kailangan ko is diameter. Isolate ko siya. So, ds squared equal to 4mg rg tg divide by pg times pi times velocity ng gas. Okay? So, square root ko na lang to. Square root ko na lang to. So, I'll arrive with ds is equal to square root. Okay? 4. What is the mass of gas? Yun ang problema mo. Wala kang mass ng gas. Take note, meron kang mass flow of coal and then mass flow of waste gas. Okay? In order for you to know the mass of gas, i-multiply yung mass ng fuel times mass of gas per mass of fuel. Okay? So, mg is equal to mass of the flue gas mass flow of coal. So fuel 1.5 kilogram every second of fuel times, alagay dito, 10 kilogram per kilogram coal. 10 kilogram ng flue gas per kilogram ng fuel. Cancel mo yung kilogram fuel. Tapos to, ilan? This will become 15 kilograms of flue gas every second. So, this is 15 kilogram every seconds. Okay? Yung RG, that is 0.277 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Tapos, temperature of gas is 300 plus 273 degrees Kelvin. Divide by, the pressure of gas is 98 kilonewton per meter squared. Tapos pi times velocity of gas. What is the velocity of the gas? 7.5 meter every second. 7.5 meter every second. Cancel same units. Okay? Yan. Kilogram. Okay, kilogram. Kelvin. Kilonewton meter is kilojoule. Makuha mo meter squared. Okay? So, DS is square root. Yan. So, 4 times 15 times 0.277 times 300 plus 273 divide by 98 pi times 7.5. So, the answer is 2.031 meters. Basic.